Hello from my studio space. This is Kat Swan with Blank Canvas and Coffee. Today's art session was prepared while enjoying a cup of dark roast coffee with notes of citrus and dark chocolate. If you like to enjoy refreshments while working on your art, remember it's a good idea to set your beverage at the lower portion of your drawing or painting to avoid any unfortunate spills. It's just better for your artwork that way. Now let's get sketching. In today's video, I will introduce shading techniques that can help turn the form with dark to light values. And I will also talk about reflective light. I'm drawing from memory to show one technique of shading. And remember, there will be a light source used to turn the form. Think of where your light source is coming from. Also in this art session, I will be drawing with the same pencils that I used in the line drawing art session, but I will be using darker grades of pencil. I will be using grade B and grade 2B so that the drawing will be easier for you, the viewer, to see in the video. Here is a value scale to use as a reference for the drawing. This can provide an artist with examples of values to refer to while working on a rough sketch or finished art piece. Dark to light values reveal to the viewer the absence and presence of light. I'm going to create a value sketch of the object to provide myself with a reference map that reminds me of where I intend to take my finished drawing. This may also be referred to as a rough, and if I were creating a piece in color, it might be referred to as a color rough. I will also remind myself of where the light source is coming from. Draw a circle to start. I will leave this surface area where light is shining the most on the object as a lighter value and use the paper as the lightest value. Remember, it's just you in the drawing, so you can go at your own pace. I am blocking in the values and will continue building up the values throughout the art session. Using shading techniques to draw a sphere also allows the option to add greater detail to the shape, which allows for reflective light to be added as a detail. Continue to block in the values on the object and in the cast shadow. Reflective light bounces off of the surface underneath the object and reflects light onto the surface area toward the base of the object, providing the viewer's eye with more information of the structure of the object and how that form turns. Step back and take a look at your sketch. If needed, go back into the drawing and make adjustments. If you don't have an eraser and would like to make an area lighter, slightly shade in areas around it to have it appear lighter in value. If you are using an eraser and you are drawing on a lighter weight or smoother drawing paper, please keep in mind how much pressure is being used to erase the pencil work. Gently lift off of the paper so that the paper underneath the drawing does not start to wear down and tear. Stepping back from the drawing allows an artist to see if the work in progress has communicated the desired effect. Make adjustments as needed until you are happy with your drawing. A darker background can also be used to hold the form while providing a dramatic effect in the drawing. Use an eraser to create a sharper and cleaner edge if needed. I'm adding shading to show the difference between the types of erasers I use in my studio. The plastic eraser can be used to remove graphite from smaller to larger sections of a drawing. The kneaded eraser provides an artist with a clean eraser each time it's used. When first using this type of eraser, or when it's sturdy, just pull the eraser and stretch it and fold it. Stretch and fold the kneaded eraser multiple times until you see lighter sections appear on the outside of the eraser. The kneaded eraser can also be molded and shaped. This provides the artist with the option to create a cleaner and sharper edge when erasing with it. For larger sections of a drawing, you can also press the kneaded eraser to the drawing surface and lift off the excess graphite. You can use a kneaded eraser as a drawing tool and add back lighter values while also adding highlights throughout the drawing. Just like learning anything else, it's helpful to set aside some time each day to sketch. Thank you so much for watching my Blank Canvas and Coffee video, and I hope to see you next time when we view another blank canvas together and maybe have some time to enjoy some coffee. If you enjoyed today's art session, please don't forget to like and subscribe at the bottom of this video, and please click on the bell to receive a notification for my next art session. See you next time.